in this legislation. It's now my great pleasure to introduce Sheriff Thomas D. Allman, the Sheriff of Mendocino County, California. Sheriff Allman is a career law enforcement officer starting his career in 1982. Served in all of the different types of roles in law enforcement. In addition to his long, outstanding record in law enforcement, he has served, for example, as a civilian peacekeeper in the former Republic of Yugoslavia, trying to help maintain peace in Kosovo during the struggle there. He is very active with Rotary International. As someone who's spoken to Rotaries around the country, the kind of work that they do to fight polio is the kind of thing that's above and beyond the kind of thing one might expect simply from a law enforcement officer. Sheriff Allman is going to receive in a few weeks a Medal of Valor for saving the life of a woman by pulling her from a burning automobile. The governor is going to present to him. In June, the sheriff was re-elected to a second term, and for the first time in 52 years in Mendocino County, the sheriff ran without political opposition. He's obviously loved by his constituency. We welcome you, and we thank you for coming all the way down here today. Thank you.
Thank you. With 5:42, and either you really want to hear about marijuana or you're lost and you need a place to sleep. I appreciate you being here because what I believe in is whether we agree or disagree on Prop 215, on Senate Bill 420, on Prop 19, as long as we continue to discuss it, we're going to get to a solution. And I don't think anybody, including the author of the Prop 19, can say this is a final decision because I've been sheriff for 4 years. And the questions have always been the same each 4 years, but each year the answers are different because the laws change. And so we'll keep having the same questions and hopefully we'll get to a moderated answer that can be consistent throughout, not only just from time to time, but through all 58 counties in the state. Because that's, if there's one problem law enforcement has with 215, with 19, or anything else, it's the inconsistency. Because the law of the land is not the law of the land. We don't mandate billboards at each county line that says, welcome to Mendocino County, and this is our marijuana law. Because when you cross from Mendocino County into Lake County,